Hello guys, as you know today we are having a computer practical exam. So we are going to make an employee database and student database. Let's start. First we will double click on the employee database. Now table has appeared. Now we will go in design view and we will name the table as EMP info, means employee information. So as we have created the table employee info, so we'll write employee ID means EMP ID, EMP name, DOJ. Now we will make the department here. Depart, depart, department. Now photo. Now address. Now let me tell you, employee ID will go as short number, which will be in an not a long integer but be an integer. Now employee name will be text but not 255, it will be 30. DOJ means date of joining, so we'll take as date या time. Department, department, yeah, department, as it will be go in lookup wizard, and in lookup wizard I will type my own value, so it will be PGT, PGT, PRT, support the chairperson and director, principal, principal. You can write your own values also, like you don't have to copy all this, but you can make your own. So you can write only four: PGT, PGT, PRT, support staff, but these four has to be mentioned. It's like important to mention that. Then next, then finish. Line photo, it will go in OLE object. Address will go in short text but of 50 characters. Yeah, so done. Employee info done. Now we'll go, and we want to save the changes. Yes, done. Now we'll go again, create table. Now in design view, now we'll make an account info. Now we will write account info. We'll write first account number, account number, the EMP ID, base will write BS, DA, PA, HRA, PPF, GS, and S. Now let me tell you what is this. BS means basic salary, DA means dearance allowance, PA means traveling allowance, HRA means house rent allowance, EPF means employee provident fund, GS means gross salary, and NS means net salary. So first of all, account number will go in number, and it will be a number only, and employee ID will be an in number, which will be an integer. Now will be go in number, and it will also be an integer. Now DA will be in going calculated. Now the formula for this is BS into basic salary into DA will be 15 upon 100. Done. Calculated will be for DATA will be basic BS into 12 upon 100. Now HRA formula will be BS into 10 upon 100. Now EPF formula will be BS into 18 upon 100. Okay, and GS formula will be GS gross salary will be calculated BS plus TA plus DA plus HRA plus EPF. So we'll add all the terms that has been basic salary, we'll add all in the gross salary. Now in net salary, we will do again calculated and we'll write gross salary minus EPF. Now it's done. Now we will go in gross and we will save the changes. Now we will go in database tools. Now we will create a relationship between both of them, account info and employee info. Yeah. Now we'll close, and as you can see, employee info is and primary key, account info as a primary key. So we'll join employee ID with employee ID in both because it is common in both. So we have to join to create the relationship, because and to create a relationship there should be a one single common term between both of them. Now we will drag, like just you have to hold your mouse and drag this employee ID to employee ID. As you can see, employee ID, employee had been created a relationship, and we'll click on enforce referral integrity and create. As you can see, it has been created one to many, and now we'll close. And do you want to say the changes? Yes. Now double click on the ID in employee info. Now for example, account number is 123, employee ID is 26759, and just take your basic salary as 1950, just like for example 15,000. Yeah, see, your formula has been created. So as you can see, your all the terms that you have given the formula has been created. So now that's all you can take in exam. I must say that it must be helpful for your exam. So for employee ID we can take 54485, and employee name as XYZ. Date of joining will be just mentioned 2 hash, like this. The divide sign we use in computers, your odd 8 divide 2012. Department you can click, as you can see, as you have created your in lookup wizard. Now you can choose only from here only. So I choose the chairperson. Photo you have to leave, that is not necessary in exam, and you can type your address, something you know. Now I think must you have gone to know how to create an account info and employee info and the whole employee database. So thank you and Jai Hind. I must pray to God that your computer practical exam goes well. Thank you and Jai Hind. Have a nice day and have a nice practical exam. Thank you.